Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by switching the mode dial to program, so the camera manages aperture and shutter automatically while you retain control. Next, choose RAW if you want maximum editing headroom. Choose JPEG for smaller files. Once done, enable Auto ISO and set a sensible maximum like 3200 to avoid unwanted noise. Make sure to check battery level before a shoot. Low power can affect performance, so swap or charge batteries if under 50%. With program mode engaged, you use program shift to favor faster shutter speeds or wider apertures while keeping overall exposure stable. Turn the main dial and watch the values change. If the scene looks too bright or dark, apply exposure compensation in 1/3 or 1/2 stop increments to fine-tune the result. Also, lock auto exposure when needed, and consider back button autofocus to decouple focus from the shutter, which gives you consistent exposure control during action. Finish each setup by reviewing the histogram and highlight warnings. This tells you if program mode missed clipped highlights or shadows. If program cannot reach the shutter speed or aperture you need, switch to aperture priority or manual for precise control. If images show excessive noise, reduce auto ISO maximum or return to base ISO and use a tripod or added light. If exposure still fluctuates, make sure metering mode suits the scene, spot, center-weighted, or evaluative, and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.